Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Krista and I
Hey everybody.
are heading over to the Toyota dealer this morning. We're going to have the exhaust tips evened out. After the install, it was noticeable that the passenger side kind of sat lower than the driver's side tips. Now, may not be a earth-shattering problem, but it certainly was noticeable and needed to be fixed. So made the appointment, and we're taking that over this morning. In between, while we're waiting, we're going to do a little lot walking, take a look at some Tacomas and Tundras and whatever else they might have on the lot. So stay tuned, and we'll see you in a bit. All right, we're at the Toyota dealer now, having the exhaust on the Tundra evened out, so I thought I'd walk around, shoot some video. This is the new little Toyota sports car. It is a manual transmission. Got some nice tight seats in there, leg squeezers and back squeezers.
Side squeezers.
Side squeezers. It's a pretty cool little car. This Inferno Tacoma.
I like this color.
I love the color on this, yeah.
I like the color. I would totally do this color.
Pretty neat.
Yep.
Let's go down here.
I would totally do that color.
See what else they've got.
Another one.
Let's find some Tacomas, or Tundras rather.
These are all Tacomas, I think.
Yeah, these are Tacomas. Got some Tundras over here.
There's a V8 in front of us. Oh, that's a Titan.
That's a Titan, yeah. Somebody's car. I think so. Actually, it might be. Yeah, it's brand new. There we go. Here's a TRD double cab. See, that has the darker trim inside. You can see that. Yeah, it just looks real plasticky though. I'm thinking of changing out the trim. Kind of hard to see. Changing out the trim on mine. Let's see what else they might have. Some white Tundras here. This is the limited, like mine, and it has the light trim, just like mine, yeah. And then there's the black. So far I've seen just a black plastic. Might be a wood, I don't know.
Yeah, black plastic. I don't know.
Well, there's my truck down on the end, I think. Although,
Yeah, it is.
this is a double cab.
Yeah. It's your color, but not your truck.
Yeah, and this has the Tundra letter accenting in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think of that? They call this a night runner? Well, I haven't heard of that.
No, I haven't either.
A night runner. Why is this a night runner? It says that same black trim, if you can see inside. It says night runner.
What does that
I don't know.
mean?
Here's the honeycomb grill with the chrome surround. Had to get around that. All right, let's see. This is the night runner. Not sure exactly what that means. Oh, there we go. This has the catskin custom leather interior, front heated seats, exterior night runner badging. Package price of $22.99. Does have black door handles.
Yeah.
Night runner
take
badging.
Take a look at your black door handle right there, and tell me you still like that.
Okay, I still like that.
I don't. It doesn't go, it doesn't flow.
Not sure what you get for the Night Runner package. It does have pretty neat leather seats. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're pretty cool.
Probably not as comfortable though.
Let's take a walk over here. We have 4.
The back bumper though.
This is a 1794. And it has like the burled light wood trim in it. Definitely not interested in that. Let's see, this is a limited like mine in a double cab, and it still has the
They both have the same
light wood. Yep, there's my old grill. There's my new grill, except the surround is color matched.
Surround is not.
Let's see what this has. It has the black trim on the inside. Not sure if I like that either. That's kind of plain looking. Almost looks like plastic, and it may be plastic. I don't know. Take another look over here. Yeah, I don't know that I'd go to that. Let's take a walk back here. This is what, a Highlander? This is the Highlander, isn't it? Or Forerunner, rather. It is huge.
It never used to be huge.
Another Tundra here. Lots of crew cab, or double cabs.
TLD also Forerunner with side steps.
Take a look around here. See what trim it has. Again, the black. So it would appear that you can either get the burled finish, or maybe the light wood trim like what I have in the limited, or just a black kind of plastic looking trim is all I've seen.
I don't know what they've done to the Forerunner.
Let's go look at one more. Let's see, this is a limited with the light trim once again. And one more back here. This one has the, what, infab side steps. This is an SR5. And I think it has that same trim. Let's take a look. Yep, got the same black trim. So it doesn't appear that there's a lot of options as far as what you can get in the way of trim. See anything else? Yeah.
I'm surprised at the Forerunners though.
Anyway, we're just killing time over here at the Toyota dealer. All right, we are back home from the dealership. Had the exhaust tips evened out. So I'm going to step out here, walk around to the back, and take a look and show you guys, hopefully, what are even exhaust tips now. So let's do that.
Let's do that.
Get the garage door open in there. Oops. There we go. Oops. And I keep forgetting. I don't have side steps on the truck right now because we're doing a little mod to those. Makes getting in and out kind of fun. Anyway, we're around to the back of the truck here now. So let's see. Wow. Oops. Stepped right into the swamp back here.
Yep.
There you guys can see,
Oh.
it is much better.
Much better.
That side over there was
the passenger side.
way off, but now it looks pretty good to me.
Yep.
Lower you guys down a little bit. I think they did a fantastic job. Check that out. That's about as even as you can get, I think.
Yep.
Looks really good to me. The guy at the dealership did say that they used a different hanger because it wasn't the fact that they reused the existing hangers. He said that they used a different hanger to even those out. So I think they did a really good job. What do you think?
I think so.
Think it looks good?
Looks a lot better than it did.
Yeah, I think so too.
I pay attention to detail, and that would bug me.
Wow.
So this looks good.
Anyway, that's my exhaust story for today. A little exhaust fix, a little lot walking, and I'm really satisfied. They did a really great job. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't before, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.